Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to convert from a map file in the SINF format to a ASCII file in what we're calling SECS.TXT. In order to use WMapConvert to do that, you'll open the program and you'll set your input file format from a drop-down list and your output file format from a drop-down list. Once you've done that, if you'd like to always have the output in a particular directory, you can define that directory here. Otherwise, the program will put the output file in the same directory as the input file. Let's go ahead and do that now. We're going to browse for our input file. This is our SIMP file we want to process. You can see it to the right. Now it's been loaded and it creates the output file name from the input file name. You don't have to do any work there. The first step is to scan the input file, and you'll get a dialog box that looks like this. There's no wafer diameter, so you don't need to fill that in. Instead of hexadecimal, you'll want ASCII bin types for this output. You can now map these to anything you want. These are probably our good die, and we'll give them an ASCII value of 1. There's 2 of these die. They're probably a reference, and I don't really know what that should be. I'll call that a 2. There's a bunch of these ones here. We'll call that a 3. There's 2 of these, we'll call that a 4. The dot is always the null die that we want. So once we've done that, we're ready to go. We can just press the convert button, and there's the conversion. Let's look at what we've got. Let's go to the output directory. There's the file we created. This is that format that we're calling SECS.TXT. You see it has a bunch of parameters. Most of these are set to 0 or 1. I'm not sure if this should be the ASCII value or it should just be the dot. All the dies except for the dot are listed in the BCEQU, which is really a list for good die. This tells you how many rows and columns were generated. Now you can see the map file here. So these look like they're actually edge die and probably bad die. So this provides you a file that can be loaded into a software system or to control a pick-and-place machine. Thank you.